Pozo Emmanuel.
Joshua Zaira Azur. Double time, please.
Next will be Sumbilon Aka versus Gonzaga Au. Double time please. Sumbilon Aka versus Gonzaga Au. Agustins David, stand by please. Next bout will be Leo, Hitan, and Alcantara Baron.
Non-players, non-coaches, parents, please stay out of the staging area. Only the players must stay inside the staging area. Player ka?
All players waiting for your turn, please stand by at the tatami areas assigned for each category. Once again, all players for each category, please stand by in the areas assigned to your playing category. Sunod-sunod na tadua, running time tanan. Hapit na 9 p.m.
Next, minus Cuenca Terrence. Please raise your hand. Cuenca Terrence. Del Pozo Emmanuel. Stand by.
Please prepare. Under 14 Advanced Committee. Minus 40 kilograms. Proceed to Tatami 3.
For juniors advanced male committee, please prepare Alikaya Johan Carl, Aka, Del Rama Griffin Au, Akos Chris, Aka,
Cadets Advanced Male Committee minus 52 kilograms. Please proceed to Tatami 1 right now. Once again, Cadets Advanced Male Committee minus 52 kilograms. Please proceed to Tatami number 1 right now. All right side, Sugabo, Acaba, Cuatro, Llanera, Ilaya, Bumhanoy, Patihan. Blue side, Mangikis, Anciano, Verana, Pasquete, Lim, Arwa, Birame, and Burha. All players called for Cadets Advanced Male Committee minus 52 kilograms. Please proceed to tatami number 1. And be ready. Finals na? Maghuwat pa ta? No. Let's proceed to the next one.
Garo John.
Proceed ta.
Garo John, please raise your hand. Again, Garo John, please raise your hand.
Sugapo and Mangikis. Okay na mo? Walay pahuway? Lasuro mo. Sige, go. Sige, go.
Alikaya Johan Carl, please proceed to Tatami 4. Delarama Acosta Chris, Ilan, Cansenco Nino, Largo Emerson, De Leon Johan, and Dumagit Jason. Please proceed to Tatami 4. Next bout will be Garo Jan Aka versus Estremos. Estremos Ken, on the mat now, please. Alikaya Johan Carl, please raise your hand. Stand by. Delarama Griffin, please raise your hand. Again, Delarama Griffin, please proceed to Tatami 4. Acosta Chris, please raise your hand. Dylan Alexander, please proceed to Tatami 4.